and welcome again to our online class. In previous class, our subject is English second paper, and our topic was tense. In part 1 class of our tense, we will discuss about the present tense and past tense and their classification, and how can we make the sentence in present and past tense. Now we want to discuss about future tense. First, I want to say something to you that in last class we knew that what is tense. Tense means the time of accomplishing any action or verb is called tense. We knew that tense is divided in three parts: present, past, and future tense. If we want to do any work in present, it is called present tense. Or if we did any work few days ago, it is called past tense. And if you want to do any works after a few days, it is called future tense. Now our topic is future tense. With the similarity between present and past tense, future tense is also divided in four parts. First part is called future indefinite tense. Second part is called future continuous tense. Third part is called future perfect tense. First part is called future indefinite tense, second part is future continuous tense, and third part is future perfect tense. Now we can follow the structure that how can we make a sentence in future indefinite tense. In previous classes, I will follow some structure which give us the advantage to make some sentences in present and past tense. Now we can follow these structures with similarity between present and past tense in future tense, and that will help us to make a sentence in future indefinite tense. First, the structure we can write: subject plus shall oblique will plus verb 1, it means the present form of verb, plus object. So by following the structure, we can write a sentence in future indefinite tense. Subject will be I, auxiliary verb will be shall, verb 1 is it, object is rice. So we can make the sentence with I shall eat rice. This is a sentence of future indefinite tense. Now we write the structure of future continuous tense. Subject plus shall be oblique will be plus verb with adding ing plus object. Here we can write the subject plus the auxiliary verb will be shall be and will be plus verb with adding ing and then object. Now we can write the sentence here. I auxiliary verb will be shall be. Verb was eat and it is adding with ing. Eating rice. Shall be eating rice. This is one of the sentence for future continuous tense. Now we go to the future perfect tense. The structure will be subject plus shall have oblique will have plus verb be plus object. If we follow the structure, we can imagine that here is first subject plus auxiliary verb is shall have and will have, and then verb three, it means the past participle form of verb, and then object. Now our subject is I, then we can add our auxiliary verb shall have, then we can add the verb three is eaten, and our object is rice. So I shall have eaten rice. This is our sentence for future perfect tense. Now we want to go to our discussion in future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous if you write the structure for making a sentence in future perfect continuous tense, the structure are subject plus shall have been oblique will have been plus verb with adding ing plus object. As a structure are subject plus shall have been oblique will have been, these two are auxiliary verb, and then verb with adding ing and then object. Now we can make a sentence by following the structure. Here subject is I and auxiliary verb will be shall have been. Then the verb was eat and we can add ing with the verb. The pronunciation will be eating. So the sentence will be the I shall have been eating rice. This is our discussion between our future tense. If we follow the future perfect continuous tense, the structure will be subject plus shall have been and will have been plus verb with adding ing and then object. So our sentence is I shall have been eating rice. I think you all should understand the every tense theory. Now you can make any kind of sentence by following the structure of every tense, and you can judge that which sentence are situated in any tense. Now we write a sentence, then we change the sentence in different tenses. First sentence is he play football. He play football. This is one kind of sentence in present indefinite tense. Now we make the sentence in different tenses, such as in our 11 tenses are about, so we can make the sentence in next 11 tense. So in present continuous tense, we make this sentence by following the structure. He is playing football. In present continuous tense, the sentence will be he is playing football. In present perfect tense, the sentence will be he has played football. In present perfect continuous tense, the sentence will be he has been playing football. This is the fourth sentence. By following the structure, we can make in present tense. First one is present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous tense. Now we can write these sentences in past tense. In past indefinite tense, the sentence will be he played football. Subject plus verb to, it means the past form of verb, then the object. It was the structure of past indefinite tense. Then we write the sentence in past continuous tense. He was playing football. He was playing football. Then we write it in past perfect tense. He had played football. He had played football. Now we can make it in past perfect continuous tense. He had been playing football. This is the four sentences we make by following the structure of past tense. First one is past indefinite tense, past continuous, past perfect continuous. I think you will better understand of this structure, and then you make the sentence very carefully. Now we can make the same sentence in future tense by following the structures. He will play football. He will play football. This is one kind of sentence for future indefinite tense. There is subject is he, then the future indefinite tense structure auxiliary verb was will, then the verb will in the present form is play, and then football. He will play football. If we make it in future continuous tense, the sentence will be he will be playing football. Playing football. He will be playing football. In future perfect tense, the sentence will be he will have played football. And in future perfect continuous tense, by following the structure, we can make the sentence he will have been playing football. This was our poor sentence we can make by following the structure of evidence. First, our sentence was he play football, it was present individual tense. Then we make it in every four tenses. Then our in past tense, our sentence was he played football. Then we make it by following the structure in past tense. And then our the sentence was he play football. Then we make it by following the structure in future tense. Now, one thing I want to say to you that I think you all should follow all the structure of tense very carefully and write it in your script very sharply. And I think if you try it in your home and practice it very carefully, you should gain a better knowledge in tense very quickly. Now I want to give some sentence which I was given in previous class, and I think you should try it home very carefully. Now I want to give you some sentence which you can make it in another places. First sentence is Rohit will play cricket. You can make it make this sentence in future continuous tense. Second one is Shima will be eating rice. You can make it in future indefinite tense. if you follow the sentence, they will have gone to the market. You can make it in future perfect continuous tense. The fourth sentence is I shall have been swimming in the river. I shall have been swimming in the river. You can make the sentence in future indefinite. So by making this sentence, you first you should follow this sentence stands in which tense. If you understand that this sentence are situated or stands in which tense, you can make the other sentence very easy. I think you all should write all the topics in your script very carefully, and I think you understand the class very sharply. So our class on this subject of tense are in here. I think you practice all the things carefully at your home and should stay at home in this pandemic situation, and always try to remember and understand your parents talk very carefully, and carefully complete your study at home. And for this moment, I will say all of the students thank you, and our next class between another subject will be proceed very longer, and for this time I will say thank you all the students, and you should follow every classes or online class, every online class very carefully and proceed your study.